Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. Got the Buck back in the garage again. I'm gonna start on body work. The dreaded body work, stuff I don't like to do. So let the cutting begin. I'm gonna start by trying to get these screws out of here with a screw gun. Nope. There's one I don't have to screw with. Get it? Screw it. These aren't going on, by the way. These aren't going back on, by the way. There's two. Three. How about that? These are already out. Cool. Let's see. Wow. Broke the tip off the bit. Must have been a Walmart bit. Now, hang on. Now, what I'm going to do is grind some slots in here. See if they'll come out. If not, I already tried a chisel. Broke the head in half. See if this will do the same. No, this one's actually coming out. Yay! Only have one to beat out there. See how I put a slot in there? Let's see. What do we got here? I think my chances are 0 to none, and none left the building. Ha ha. It's all rotted anyway. That's why I don't want to put them back on, because how it holds the water back there and rusts everything. Yay! We got more damage to fix. I thought it was just down in here, now it's up in here. And over here. By gosh, by golly. So there's the damage there. Let me see, I'm having a hard time finding it here. That's the light is screwing it up. Okay, yeah, that's a little better. And then over in here. Okay. Well, I tried taking the tailpipe off, but it's stuck on here, so hopefully I get it down here enough, get enough room in here to deal with. So, and then there's only a little bit of, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there's a little hole back in there. I mainly wanted to get this done first, so when I do drive it, the fumes don't go up in there. Okay, it's been a few days, but this is where I'm at. I have a whole nother used quarter panel that I took pieces out of. So I have this piece cut down here. I'll just have to cut it to size where that is. I don't know, I got a little rust up in here yet. I may go a little higher yet. So the next step will be to cut this out, get all this straightened out here. And then I also have another piece that will go up inside here to take care of the inner fender well. So yeah, I didn't want to bore you with all that drilling out all that stuff. That's a pain in the butt. But I got it. It's not too bad. We'll clean it up. paint it up, and hope for the best. Oh, I also use this rust dissolver stuff. Let's see how that stuff works. And I also have another panel right here in the corner. I cut down to what I need. I probably don't need the whole thing. I probably just cut this right out here, out of there. But I drilled all those out, and got that all ready to go back in. I'll have to clean the inside out. Okay, this is where we're at. I cut this piece out here. This will go up in the inner fender well. I had to trim it a little bit yet. That'll go up inside there, right? And then I need to clean it up and stuff yet too, and get my welder set up. And what I did is a little bit of CAD, cardboard aided design, as my buddy Andrew calls it, and I cut that out to this shape here, and I transferred it. Oh my. Transferred it to the panel I had, right? And I did pretty good. So I still need to, I cut it a little big because I wanted to trim it to size to try to get it in there as close as I can. I don't know if you can see the, but I mean, if I put it right up, you see I got a little gap here. So I need to grind here and grind here. And but right, ouch, that's sharp. Watch your fingers. I only have to trim some of this and trim this, and it'll slide right into place there. Let me slice my finger, and then weld that in there. Next, I got to get my welder set up, and I have some trimming on here to do yet, and that will, boom, so go in there behind that, up in there behind that, and we'll have our hole fixed. Okay, peeps, here's where we are. Fitting the panel here. I'll do a little grinding here and here. I got my grinder right here. I don't know if you can see it. And so, let me see. Mucho better off. Now I'll get this down in here. See how we did here. So this is all good back in here. Well, here we gotta take the tear off of here. Okay, I need to get this corner here a little better. See how that works? Open the top there. Okay, so I need to get this straightened out here. The same shape as the car. Okay. Okay, so this here needs to go some more. And a little bit of grinder action here. All right, let's see here. Okay, let's see how we did here. We'll take a little bit of. Yeah, I need to push this in here, but I don't know if you can see that. Let me get here a little bit better. See if I can show you. Not too shabby. Got a little loose there, but everything's looking good in the neighborhood. Now I just got to do a bunch of grinding, a little bit of painting, a little bit of bending. We're on our way. All right, I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. And remember, be good. If you can't be good, be kind. Hey, and while you're at it, go visit all these channels here. It's got Dr. Art up there, got another Clint Street Machines, Landon Custom Classics, Mr. Rotter's Neighborhood, American Hot Rod Association. Go check these guys out. You got Jeff, you got NSB, Buffs, 113, Perpetual Projects, Nivlac, stuff with Cletus. I also want to show you something else here too. My buddy had a sign made for me. Buck does it. See y'all.